Okay, cylinder number 1 compression. Okay, right about 115. Okay, release. Okay, here goes cylinder number 2. Okay, 110. Goes cylinder number 3. $112. Okay. Goes cylinder number 4. Almost 120 on that guy. Okay, cold start on Gary's engine. Little fast idle for me. Got good oil pressure, and we're going to come up on temp pretty soon. Okay guys, you just saw the compression test on this engine, and you saw the running. The cold start runs fine. This is Gary's engine. You guys remember this. This came in a while ago. He had bought this one from that particular retailer down in the south. The engine was all messed up. I completely rebuilt the engine and sent it out to South Dakota, where Gary is. And we had a nice crate for it. FedEx put a fork through the crate, messed up the original carburetor that was on here, and it messed up. I don't know how much it messed up, but it really screwed things up. So that carburetor got reassembled, and Gary couldn't get the engine started, so he sent it back here, and I tried to start it with the original carb, the M38 YS. No go. Put a Solex on there, as you can see, and that's what I have it running on right now. And I tried two of my different carbs. It ran fine. Could not get it running on the YS. So I don't know what's wrong with that carburetor. I'm not getting into it. I'm going to send that out and have it gone through. The engine runs fine. Good oil pressure. It comes up to temp good. No problems at all with the running. No, the internals are all good. I know Gary was concerned that maybe something was wrong with the engine. There is nothing wrong with the machine work or the engine assembly. Carburetor appears to be the only problem, and I'm going to get that fixed for you. Again, no troubles with the with the internals or the machine work or anything. So I'm going to leave it sit in a test stand, and I'm going to quickly try and get your carb back. We'll rerun it on the original carb and then ship it back to you when, you know, as soon as it's done. But I hope you can see when Gary tried to do a compression test on this, I don't know what happened. He was only getting 60 pounds of pressure on here. He tried to start the engine. I don't know exactly why he went for compression after the engine wouldn't stay running. I would have went for carburation immediately, but he went and got himself a compression tester from Harbor Freight and said he was only getting 60 psi in the cylinders. And you saw I just did a cold engine compression test and was getting almost 120. If the engine was warm, obviously it would be more than that, 125 probably. But on a cold engine, that's fantastic. So Gary just was unsure why it wouldn't run, didn't put another, or have another carb, or didn't put another carb on it. But that would have fixed him up okay, and he would have realized it was just a carburetor. But not a big deal. It's here again, and it's running perfectly. I will bring you back again and show you, and we'll dial in the YS on here when I get it back. So Gary, don't worry about anything as far as engine trouble. When engine won't start, when old Willys engine won't start, don't immediately, especially after it's come out of here, don't immediately think it's machine work or engine rebuild quality. Just go to the old fuel or spark. It's one or the other. It's going to be fuel or spark. Even if you found an engine with 60 psi, it's still going to run. These guys need fuel and spark. That's it. So we have decent spark. We have perfect carburation now. Like I say, that's just an old Solex I use, and I start all my engines with that because it's perfect. And, you know, 40 psi, no leaks, no bumps, no bangs, no nothing. Everything is going good. So, Gary, you can feel good about this. We're going to have to let it sit for a while. I got to get that carb out. They got to work on it. They got to send it back. So it's going to be a couple weeks. So, probably won't hear from me for a little bit. But don't worry, the engine is running perfect. And won't be long before it's back to you. So, I'll be back with you guys shortly. Hey, everybody, thanks for watching. And I'll catch you on the next video.